Can we turn off resharing for your WhatsApp status? This tutorial will show you the quick and easy steps to disable the status resharing feature on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Then tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Now tap on Privacy and then choose Status from the list of privacy options. Here you'll find your WhatsApp status settings. Look for the Allow Resharing option. If it's enabled, people who are mentioned in your status may be able to reshare it with their contacts. Simply tap on this option and turn it off. Once disabled, others won't be able to reshare your eligible WhatsApp status updates. If you don't see the resharing option, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version, as some features may not be available on older versions or in certain regions. That's it. You've successfully turned off WhatsApp status resharing and improved your status privacy settings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, WhatsApp privacy settings guides, and step-by-step tech tutorials.